Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. Today we are going to quickly look at how you'll be able to remove the background of any particular picture on your mobile phone. This is actually a tutorial which is meant to enlighten all of us, to educate us, to also know how we'll be able to take off a background of any particular color whenever we have an image and then would want to remove the background in a case where we can use the image for something very important. This is how we'll be able to do or remove the background. Stick and stay, I'll be back for more. Okay guys, welcome back. As I said earlier, we are going to look at quickly how we'll be able to remove a background of image under just 2 minutes. You understand? Under just 2 minutes we are going to do that. This helps even help graphic designers and other people who use image and graphics or images for their project or work to be able to find a way to remove that background that is actually killing or hurting you, in order to help you to also use it for your project. So without much ado, let's really get into it. So all that you need to do is open your browser, and then when you open your browser, you go to your address bar and then you type in what you call remove. You understand? Just type in this website, remove.bg, and then hit enter. Now when you come to this website, there are just few steps that you need to follow. All that you need to do here is just upload the picture and the website will automatically do the removal for you. So just tap on upload image and go to browse. It will take you to your gallery or your download section. I'm going to search for a particular image that I want to remove here. Following the necessary steps, I'll go to my download and I'll pick an image here which the person holds a football. So when you tap on it, the website will automatically generate a new image for you by deleting or clearing the background. So you see that this is what actually a new image without a background. You could see from here. So all that you need to do is, the next step is just tap on download here, and then this particular image will download onto your mobile device. You can use it for any project that you want or you wish to use it for. If you want to upload a new one, just close it and go back to your upload section and follow the same steps. Thank you for watching this, and this is Sidakotechlab. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, comment, because it matters so much to me, and then make sure you keep on watching my videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode. I'm out.